Just past Sukker, gentlemen, heading towards Multan. This Farid Lagari driving vlog. Soon I'll be climbing up on M5, and I'm heading to Lahore, not actually Multan but Lahore. So this is, I made a video of this area before and just making it a little bit longer. I like these hills and mountains. A lot of these mountains are already cut for gravel. Only few mountains are left. And if you can see straight, you can see some kind of monument. It's for the university. And I've just passed Sukker and Rodi, approaching M5 highway right now on National Highway. Then I'm going to merge into M5 highway and head to Lahore. And this is called Aurora University, this area. Right now I'm driving my Suzuki Jimny. I started 7:30 a.m. from Hyderabad. Right now it's about 12:30, I guess. And hopefully by 7 I'll be in Lahore. So that's about 1,200 or something kilometers. So far I've done 323 kilometers. And I'll talk to you now when I stop on a tea break. Thank you. Enjoy the journey.